Hi, I'm Dave and welcome to Eco Future Heat. I've got a massive surprise for you today, so let's get ourselves out of here, get in the van, travel out to where we're going to, and we'll see what the big announcement and surprise for you guys at the end of the video. Come on, let's go. So hi, we're here in York at M4 van signage. So the first announcement is the complete wrapping of at least one of our vans to start with, but all of them going forwards. This is going to be a really eye-catching thing. Can't wait to actually get these on camera, get to show you exactly what they're going to look like. So let's get the van inside, let's get it done, and we'll come back to it in a day or two's time. So, we're back, we're driving back. Gonna go pick the van up, it's been a few days later. Let's go see what she looks like, eh? I'm excited. So here we have the van fully wrapped in a colour changing full satin wrap. Not matte, satin. I absolutely love the way that this has turned out. Huge logo, beautiful colour changing sides, all the information that you need to know. So massive thank you to M4 Van Wraps in York. They've been absolutely fantastic to deal with. Fantastic work that's obviously been done as well. So great thank you to them for doing this for me and being so good with their customer service. So there's only one final thing to say. Welcome to the future of your home heating. Welcome to Eco Future Heat.